Welcome to HiVig Elevate, the webinar series to empower small businesses. Google Analytics will stop working soon. If your business relies on data-driven decisions, you must act now. Google Analytics, also known as Universal Analytics, that you've been using all this time to keep track of your website visitors and measure search engine performance, goals and conversions, will sunset on the 1st of July 2023. You stand to lose your existing analytics data and won't have a reference point to compare traffic to moving forward. This is why we thought of conducting a free webinar to help you navigate the migration process to Google Analytics 4. In this webinar, we will walk you through step-by-step on the migration process and show you how to future-proof your digital measurement. GA-4 is the new reporting tool by Google that is set to replace the universal analytics we all know and begrudgingly love. However, with the new regulatory demands such as GDPR and CCPA impacting how data can now be collected and used, Google is phasing out universal analytics to push everyone over to GA-4. GA-4 was first launched in October 2020. Though there were a number of early adopters, overall, only a few people, agencies and companies have made the switch over so far. There are several key advantages to switching over to GA-4 if you haven't already, such as enhanced reporting and visualizations, enhanced engagement metrics, default event tracking including clicks, scrolling behavior, clicks and file downloads, more flexible event parameters, better integration of website and app tracking data, improved channel acquisition measurements. While these advantages are good to have, you also don't have any other option with Google. Universal Analytics is shutting down, and you have to start using GA-4. Reliable measurement has never been more critical and more of a challenge. Register now for the free webinar by filling the form. We will notify the details via email shortly.